So yesterday, March 26th, I decided to go ahead and plant the vegetables and flower seeds. So they're right here. I have them on this little shoe rack that I found, but it's above one of our air vents, so it's getting some heat blown up from the bottom until I go ahead and get heat pads to put underneath them. And then once the seeds finally begin to pop up, I'll take off the greenhouse part of the container thing, and then I'll put the light over them so that they have some light. But right now they don't really need any light other than what's coming in from the window. So yeah. So we've started cutting the boards for the garden. We have a good amount done already. The greenhouse, we've also cut quite a bit for that as well. But tomorrow I'm going to plot out where the garden is actually going to be going. And then I don't know when we'll actually put the garden up, but it should be pretty soon. So yeah. You want to say hi, Cooper? Yeah, you can boy. So yeah, hopefully we'll have it done in time, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I'm back out here by the garden. I have some flags that I'm going to be using to mark out the corners, and then I'm going to see if I can find more flags. I knew where these were, but I don't know where my dad keeps all his flags, so I'm going to go see if I can find more, and then I'm going to mark out where each pole of the fence for the garden needs to go. And then after that, I might try to get this barbed wire out of here, but I kind of need my dad's help for that. I'll just be out here plotting the poles for the garden in the corners. What are you doing, Cooper? Huh? What are you doing? You digging for moles? Look at the trail you have going here, buddy. Impressive. Dad. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So, I'm debating right now how big of a gap I should leave between the fence and then the first flower box. So, what we have originally planned, I think, is 3 feet right there. Thank you, Cooper. And then, but like, I don't know if I need that much room though on the outside, because most of the garden, Cooper's panting like crazy, because most of the garden boxes are accessible from the other sides. Like, you can reach across the entire garden bed. We're only making them 3 feet wide. So I almost think I would only need maybe 2 feet, possibly like 2.5-ish. I don't know. I really don't. So I'm trying to figure that out. Because then if I didn't need that 2.5 foot, I'm trying to figure out where the rest of that space would go. Would I end up using that in like another garden box, or would that just be random dead space? I could plant like random vegetables or flowers along the edge of the garden, I suppose. I don't really know. So I'm gonna have to go get a piece of paper and then like figure this out. What are you doing? Okay guys, so I have it all drawn up. So we are still gonna have it 30 feet wide, but then long, it's gonna, I think, be 38 feet. I'm gonna extend it to the back of the greenhouse instead of the fence just stopping at the greenhouse, because then that will give us a bunch of room back here for like corn and blueberries, raspberries, stuff that you don't really plant in boxes. So yeah. But how it works out is I think we'll do a pole every 10 feet. It was originally 8 feet, but I mean, you can't really divide 30 by 8 feet very easily. Also on Sunday, March 26th, I believe, I decided to plant all of the seeds for our garden. So I planted almost all of the vegetables and all of the flowers. There are some that do better directly planted into the soil, so I didn't plant those yet, but I have them right here. Let me turn them around. Okay, so I have two 72 cell seed starter kits, and we have some bachelor's buttons, 4 o'clocks, cosmos, lettuce, chives, some different variations of sunflowers over here, cucumber, basil, tomato, marigold, lots of different things. I can't really see them right now because it's so humid in there. But normally these are inside and above the heater vent. But since it's so nice out today, I brought them outside so that they could get some sunshine. And over here I have some sweet peas, hollyhock. I honestly cannot read these. Parsley, sage, just a bunch of different herbs, and then like your basic vegetables. Lavender, delphiniums. But they look like this. Okay, so another thing to note with the seed is that I separated them into like when they're going to first show up and first sprout. And the first one should start popping up within the next couple of days here, like 3 to 4 days, I would say. And then the other ones, some of these take like 6 weeks, so it'll be a while before we get some of them, but some of them will be up in just a couple of days. So, and once they sprout, I'm gonna have to take off this plastic cover, the greenhouse cover thing, because it will keep it too moist in there and it will actually like rot the plants. At least that's what I've heard, that's what I've been told. This is our first year like really doing seeds. I've done like some seeds before in like the actual garden, like directly planting them in the garden, but I've never done like a seed starting kit before with everything in it. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Okay, quick plant update. I don't know the last time I updated you guys on the plants, but they have grown quite a bit, I believe, from the last time you saw them. And like, look at the sunflowers. They're humongous now. And the cucumber, yep. Everything, almost everything has come up in this first tray. There's still a couple, like some marigolds there that either are not going to come up or have yet to come up. And then some sunflower varieties have to come up still. And then over here, the sweet peas, apparently these are really hard to grow from seed. I have 5 growing right now out of the 10 that I planted. And then hollyhock is starting to come through. The I don't even know how you pronounce this. Convolvulus. Sage has yet to grow. We've got no sage yet. Look how cute the baby thyme is. It is so adorable. And then, so all the Shasta daisies have come up, and the lavender is not up yet. Guys, what are you doing? Sorry, the ducks are being dumb. And then delphinium, there's actually, I don't remember where it was. One of these was sprouting. I could see it earlier. Oh, here. Wait, this pocket, okay. Oh gosh, you are not gonna be able to see this. He's in there somewhere. Yeah, there you go, you jam a noodle. And then we have some more bachelor buttons and cosmos planted over here, which are ginormous. Oops, I pulled on that a little too hard, sorry buddy. So yeah, that's what we got.